Serbia has recently been gripped by a wave of pro-Russian demonstrations. Thousands of people have taken to the streets to express their support for Russia amid the conflict in Ukraine, with crowds of demonstrators waving Russian and Serbian flags and holding up pictures of Russian President Vladimir Putin. They shouted the slogan, "Serbs and Russians are brothers forever," referring to the traditionally close ties between those two predominantly Slavic countries. The leader of the Serbian pro-Russian movement, People's Patrol, says Serbians' support for Russia has resonated throughout the world.
I was the central leader of the rally in support of the Russian people. As I said at that initial rally, Serbs and Russians are brothers, and we do not necessarily need to be pro-Russian oriented. We provide direct support to the people. We consider ourselves as self-organized. The escalation of problematic issues occurred after the migration crisis in 2015, after the outbreak of the war in Syria. The government's leadership did not do its job properly. We are very involved in all of the current events. Many of our journalists and volunteers were in Ukraine in 2014. We know very well how the war began there. Nobody says, especially in the Western media, that from 2014 to 2021, 10 to 11,000 people died by the hands of the Ukrainian military. Now an information campaign is being conducted against the Russians, just as it was conducted against the Serbs in the 1990s. The reaction to the rally in support of Russia, which we organized, was significant in the world, in Western Europe, and in our society in particular. We will continue to support Russia so that the Russian people understand that we are truly strategic partners in the Balkans representing the Serbian people.